time for me to start packing for my Walt Disney World vacation. And when we go down there, we are going to do a couple of Run Disney events. This is our first time running at Disney World, so I'm really excited. But it was really hard to know what to pack and what to have to be ready. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I'm packing specifically for doing a run at Disney. So the first thing that I'm going to bring that's a little different is just some sports sunscreen. Of course, I would always bring sunscreen to Disney World, but this is water resistant. It shouldn't come off when I sweat. So take this. I am going to bring my hat that I wear sometimes when I run. I don't like to run in a hat because I get too hot and halfway through my run I want to throw it off. But in case it would rain, I'm going to want a hat. So I'll pack it with me. Hopefully we won't need it, but that way I have it. The other thing that I just purchased one of these and I love it. So this is a Fitletic Hydration Melt. It stays in place so nice. It's adjustable. It fits really snug. I've really been happy with it. So I like to have some water with me when I'm running. I don't like to drink at the water stations, like chug a bunch of water and then try to run. I like to just take little sips along the way. So I was really happy to have a water bottle that was easy to carry around. It also has some little, I don't know what to call them, little sections over here they can kind of stuff things into. It's kind of tight, but I have like a rolled up Walmart bag for after the race. They give you like a snack box and some water bottles and things, so this is just a little way to carry that stuff around. Then I have a pack of Jelly Bellies in here because that's one of the things that I like to eat while I'm running. And then it has this really nice big kind of pocket. So the things that I'm going to take to put in here, right now I already have my chapstick in here. It's hiding over in the corner. So chapstick, I like to have chapstick with me when I'm running. Some safety pins, just in case we would lose ours or, just to secure on our bib or something. They don't take up much room, so I'll stick those in there. Another pack of Jelly Bellies. I'll probably throw in a few Gatorade chews because I don't mind these either, and especially during the half marathon I might want a little variety of some things to have along the way. I also have another bag of Jelly Bellies, and I'm probably going to add some peanut butter M&Ms in here too. The other thing that I like to have is I like to have a smorgasbord in my pouch here, but I like to have Tic Tacs also. The other thing that'll go in that pouch will be my headphones. I don't think I'll use them. I'll be running with my husband, and there's so much going on during a Run Disney race. But for some of those longer stretches during the half marathon, I might want them. I might need a little music inspiration, so I'll stick those in this pouch also. Another thing that I will bring is my armband. I'm used to wearing this, so I don't mind it too much. And then I have some just really plain baggies in case it would rain. I just stick my phone in here and wrap it up and stick it in my armband, and it's worked for keeping my phone dry, so that's my plan. A couple other things will be some BioFreeze because we are old and we get sore, so we need this. And the other thing that I use this for, I've been putting this on my feet before I run. My feet get really hot no matter what kind of socks I try. So this kind of helps. It kind of makes them feel kind of cool during my run. So I really like that. So yeah, we have to pack BioFreeze and Body Glide. I don't have any right now. I have some ordered, but we also need Body Glide because chafing happens. So you gotta have that with you. I will also pack ponchos, hoping we don't need these, but that way we have them. We can wear them at the beginning of the race if it's raining at the beginning or whatever. Let's see, I'll show you a couple things. So after the race, we are driving, so we'll have access to things in our car afterwards right away. So I'm going to bring these RX nut butter packs. These are amazing. I love them. And it's really important, especially for women, to have some protein after you run. So I'll have these in the car for our drive back to the hotel. So I highly recommend them. They're very yummy. So I'll have those. And then I'll also, this Noon electrolyte replacer. I'll use this in my water after my run. And a couple other things that I don't have here will be we'll pack some throwaway clothes, some kind of jacket. I think we'll probably only take jackets that we can dispose of on the race course. You can throw them out by like the mile markers, and then Disney will collect them and donate them after the races. Right now it's really warm in Florida and it's humid, so it looks like we wouldn't need something to keep warm, but the weather can change in a minute in Florida, so we'll pack stuff with us just to have it, just in case. Okay, so the really fun part, watch, remember to bring these. These are tickets for the after party. Anybody who's running in the challenge or the half marathon, there's a party at Epcot. Take our tickets with us so we can get in to our party after we've done our running. So that was my quick what I'm taking for our Run Disney events. I'm hoping to do some more packing videos in the next 6 days. So if you want to get a notification, click on that so you know when I upload some more packing videos. Hope to see you real soon.